Still using static SaaS demos? Your buyers don't want to just watch, they want to interact. See how interactive demos can turn passive viewers into engaged buyers.
Hello, I am David, an AI assistant. Welcome to DemoDazzle from static to interactive. What differentiates demos in SaaS? Today, we'll look at how modern SaaS teams are moving beyond traditional product demos and creating interactive experiences that turn passive prospects into active participants. We'll explore what makes interactive demos more effective and how they can help accelerate the buyer journey and deal velocity. Simply showing your product is no longer enough. Traditional product tours usually follow a fixed path where prospects watch and listen. Interactive experiences take a different approach. They allow buyers to explore the product based on their own needs and questions. This shift from passive viewing to active exploration can build stronger engagement and move prospects closer to making a decision. Let's compare static and interactive demos. Static demos typically follow fixed paths, offer generic messaging, and provide limited assistance and analytics. Interactive demos, on the other hand, allow buyer-driven exploration, role-based personalization, real-time AI assistance, and deeper engagement analytics. Most importantly, they enable prospects to evaluate the product independently without always needing to schedule a call. Buyers usually want answers to two important questions. Can this software actually solve my specific problem? And how difficult will implementation be? Interactive demos help answer these questions directly. Prospects can explore their own use cases in real time without waiting for a sales conversation. At the same time, their interactions can provide valuable high-intent signals for the sales team. Interactive demos create value through three key areas highlighted here: faster qualification, higher value, and deeper intent. Buyers can independently test features against real-world tasks, helping them understand product fit faster. Role-based experiences also make the demonstration more relevant to each audience. And when the experience adapts to a prospect's priorities, they're more likely to spend meaningful time exploring the product. Interactive demos can also deliver measurable business outcomes. One example shown here reports a 22% increase in trial conversion. In another scenario, replacing a longer scripted presentation with a shorter interactive tour helped reduce meeting cancellations and improve conversions. An analytics platform also reduced time to first value from 28 days to 12 days, while increasing 90-day usage depth by 38%. The key takeaway is that interactivity can impact both conversion and product adoption. So, how do you build an effective interactive demo? Start by defining your key metrics and mapping the buyer journeys. Next, identify important roles and tasks, then build conditional flows around those needs. Add an AI assistant to provide instant answers. And finally, use engagement data such as heat maps and drop-off points to continuously improve the experience. This makes the demo an evolving part of the buyer journey. Personalization is one of the biggest advantages of interactive demos. Dynamic variables can instantly adapt elements such as company names, industry information, and team branding. Adaptive branching can also change the journey based on the viewer's role. For example, a sales VP may focus on pipeline forecasting, while a customer success leader may explore ticket management. With in-context AI Q&A, prospects can also get answers to technical, compliance, and integration questions while they explore. However, interactivity only works when the experience is focused. One common mistake is feature overload. Trying to show every setting and capability can overwhelm the buyer. Instead, focus on the features connected to their most important outcomes. Another mistake is using a weak call to action. The demo should never end at a dead end. Once the prospect is engaged, guide them naturally toward a trial, sign-up, or conversation with sales. This slide highlights the difference between interactive and static experiences. Interactive demos can drive stronger completion and trial engagement compared with traditional video or slide-based experiences. The broader point is simple. When buyers can participate instead of just watch, they have more opportunities to understand the product, evaluate its value, and take the next step. The best strategy doesn't necessarily mean replacing every traditional demo. A hybrid approach can work even better. Start with a short teaser video to create awareness and curiosity. Then let qualified prospects explore an interactive product experience on their own. Finally, reserve live calls for late stage buyers who need strategic alignment. This allows each format to play the role where it delivers the most value. So, are you ready to move beyond static product tours? Interactive demos can transform the way SaaS companies educate, engage, and qualify buyers. Instead of simply showing prospects what your product does, give them the opportunity to experience it for themselves. With DemoDazzle, you can transform static product tours into dynamic, high converting interactive experiences. Explore DemoDazzle and start creating demos that truly